بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. Today we want to continue our lesson of yesterday, surface area of pyramids. Today we have extra practice. Exercise number 1. Draw and label a net to represent the square pyramid. As you see here, we have pyramid. Look to the bottom. Here we have the base. The type of the base here will be square. So the name square pyramid. And as you remember, the square regular polygon means has 4 congruent sides or 4 equal sides. Here 10, here 10, here 10, here 10. So the pyramid will be have 4 congruent triangles. 4 congruent triangles. And the name of the face, literal face. The name of the face in the pyramid, as you remember, literal face. And the name of the height in the triangle will be slanted height. So how to get a net? Start to draw the base. Draw a square. The total of the side will be 10. So at the first, draw square. The total of this side will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all sides will be 10 units. Then start to draw the literal faces. How to draw the triangle? Choose any side of the square, then represent the middle of the side, then use the ruler and draw perpendicular line, and the total of this line will be 6, because the total of slanted here will be 6. Then match between this point and this point and this point and this point. You will get what? You will get a triangle. And repeat the same step here to get the next triangle, then to get the third triangle, then to get the fourth triangle. Then you will get what? The net of the pyramid. Exercise number 2. Also here we have pyramid, square pyramid, because the base, the type of the base will be what? Will be square. So start to draw the base. Draw square. The total of the side of this square will be 6. So start to draw the square. The total of the square will be 6. Then use the same idea to draw the face, the literal face. We have triangle here. So as you see here, choose any side from the square, represent the middle, then use the ruler, draw perpendicular line. The total of this line will be the same total of the slanted here. Slanted height will be 5. Then match between this point and this point and this point and this point. You will get what? The triangle. Then repeat the same idea to get the second triangle, third triangle, and the fourth triangle. Then you will get what? You will get the net of this pyramid. Here we have here the same idea, as you see. And also here we have the same idea. Here, as you see, the base will be triangle. The base will be triangle. And this base, as you see here, the side of the triangle here 12, and here 12, and here 12. So the type of this triangle equilateral. Equilateral means regular triangle. Regular triangle. So draw the equilateral triangle here 12. Then in the middle represent point here and use your ruler and draw perpendicular line, and the total of this line will be 10.4. The total of this line will be 10.4. So here will be 10.4. Then from this point match this point and match with this point, you will get the equilateral triangle. Then how to draw the lateral faces? How to draw the lateral faces? Choose any side from the base, represent the middle also, and use your ruler to draw the perpendicular line, and the total of this line, the same, this slanted height, also 10.4. Then you can match between this point and this point, and this point and this point. Use the same idea to draw the second triangle, and the same idea to draw the third triangle. Then you will get the next. Number 6, the same idea. Number 7, also the same idea. Number 8, the same idea. Now, number 9. Number 9, use the net to find the surface area of the pyramid. Surface area represent S. Start from the base. As you see, the type of the base will be square, and the total of the length 10. So how to find the area of the square? Take the side, then do squared for the side. So we can write 10 squared or 10 times 10, the same idea. Plus, as you remember, the square regular polygon means has 4 equal sides. Means the pyramid has 4 equal lateral faces. Means 4 equal triangles. Means 4 equal areas. So we can here write 4 times the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle. And as you remember, the formula to find the area of the triangle will be 1/2 multiplied by the base of the triangle. The base of the triangle will be 10, so times 2. Times 10, sorry. Times the height, as you should see here, will be 6. Then we can calculate 10 squared means 10.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes. Tell me, please.
Why did you put 2 over the 10?
Because the area of the square, as you remember, will be the total of the side squared. This is the area of the square. So what is the total of the side? As you see, 10.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
So the value of A10, so put here 10 squared. Welcome, Muhammad. So we can calculate now. 10 squared means 10 times 10 means 100 plus 6 times 10, 60. 60 times 1, 60. 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 times 4 will be 120. So 100 plus 120 will be 220 feet squared. Who has any question here?
Nobody, Mr.
Okay, number 10 also the same idea. Surface area, represent S here. Start from the bottom, from the base. Also here we have the base triangle, square. The base will be square. And the tall of the side will be 6. So how to find the area of the square? Take
My answer is 96 meter square.
Okay, so thank you, Khalid. So the area of the square, take the side of the tall of the side, then do square for the side. So 6 squared plus we have 4 congruent triangles. So multiply by 4. 4 times the area of the triangle. And the area of the triangle will be 1 over 2 multiply by the base of the triangle will be 6 multiply by the height of the triangle will be 5. Now we can calculate. 6 squared means 6 times 6 will be 36 plus 5 times 6, 30. 30 times 1, 30. 30 divided by 2, 15.
Mr. The answer is 55.
Yes, 15 times 4 will be 60. So now 36 plus 60 will be 90
6 meter square, Mr.
meter squared. Who has any question here?
Nobody, Mr.
Okay. Now number 11. We use the same idea. The surface area represent S. Find the area of the square here. The side will be 18, so the area will be 18 times 18 or 18 squared.
Sir, can I say my answer?
Yes.
My answer is 792 feet square.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. Plus, we have 4 congruent triangles, so multiply by the 4. Now the area of the triangle will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. Now we want to calculate 18 squared means 18 times 18. So the answer will be 324 plus here you have 13 times 18. 13 times 18 will be 234. 234 times 1 will be 234. Now divide by 2 would be 117. 117 times
It will,
Mr. My answer will be
400.
700. Yes.
Mr. It's 468.
Then 324 plus 468 will be
792 feet square.
92 feet squared. Okay, thank you. Who has any question here?
Nobody, Mister.
Okay, number 12.
No one.
Number 12, the same idea. The surface area equal the area of the square. The side will be 14. So we can write
Sir, my answer is 476 centimeter square.
okay. So S equal 14 squared plus we have 4 congruent triangles. So 4 times the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the side. The side will be 14, so times 14 times the height of the triangle will be 10. Now we can calculate. We have 14 squared means 14 times 14 will be 196 plus 10 times 14 will be 140 times 1 will be 140. 140 divided by 2 will be 70. 70 times 4 will be 280.
$280.
Now 196 plus 280 will be 476
Centimeter square.
centimeters squared. Who has any question? No questions?
No questions.
Okay. Number 13. The surface area here.
Mr. my answer is 338.8 yard square.
Okay. As you see here, we have 4 congruent triangles. We have 4 congruent triangles. So to find the surface area, we can multiply 4 by the area of one triangle. So take this triangle. As you know, the area of the triangle will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the base. This side equal this side means 14. So multiply by 14. Multiply by the height. This height equals this height will be 12.1. Then we can calculate. We have here 12.1 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 1. The answer will be 295.4. Then divide by 2. The answer will be 147.7. Then multiply by 4. So the answer will be
338.8 yard square.
338.8 yard squared. Okay, who has any question here? No questions?
No, Mister.
Sure? Okay.
Yes.
Number 14, the same idea, the surface area equal. We have 4.
Mister, my answer is 62.4 feet square.
Okay, Khalid. Thank you. So we have here 4 congruent triangles. So 4 times the area of the triangle, 1 over 2, multiplied by the base will be 6. Multiply by the height, the same height here will be 5.2. Now we can calculate. We have here 5.2 times, here we have 6 times 1. The answer will be 31.2. Divide by 2. The answer will be 15.6. Then multiply by 4. So the answer will be 62.4 feet
Square.
square. Who has any question here? Okay. Now number 15. Also we have the same idea. Surface area equal 4 congruent triangles means multiply by 4 times the area of.
Mister, my answer is 140.4 centimeter square.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. So 1 over 2 multiplied by the base. The base will be 9.
Times 7.8.
Times the height will be 7.8. So now we can calculate. We have here 7.8 times 9 times 1. The answer will be 70.2. Then divide by 2. The answer will be 35.1. Then times 4. The answer will be 140.
140.4 centimeter square.
Okay, thank you, Daniel.
Sir, can I read the number 16?
Okay, Khalid.
Use the net to find the surface area of the pyramid in square meters. Explain.
Okay. Can you explain for us what we do?
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
We write surface area. We write the number 4 and parentheses 1 over 2 multiply by 16 multiply by 13.9. Then we multiply 4 by 1 equal 4. 4 over 2 equal 2.
Great. Continue.
Then we multiply 16 by 2.
Yes, will be 32. Now 32 times 13.9 will be 400.
444.8 meter square.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you, Khalid. Great work. I will add to you 5 marks, inshallah. Great. So, who has any question here?
Thanks, Mister.
Welcome. Who has any question?
No one, Mister.
Sure? All things clear for you?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
No one, Mister. No questions.
طيب, let us to take attendance. بطي.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد علي. حمد علي.
نعم أستاذ حمد علي هني.
حمد سالم. حمدان الكعبي.
كد. نعم أستاذ.
خالد خليل.
نعم، Mister.
يجينا إحنا يطلع.
لا تغادر. بدي اياكم لحظة، لا حدا يغادر.
نعم، Mister.
سعيد محمد.
نعم مستر.
سلطان علي.
نعم، Mister.
سلطان، ليش ما ارسلت الواجب؟ طيب، سلطان غازي. عامر. 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 عبد الله راشد.
نعم.
عبد الله الجابري. عبد الله الجابري. عبد الله الحمادي.
نعم، Mister.
عبد الله مسعود. عبد الله مسعود. عمر الشامسي. عمر الشامسي. عمر أشرف. فلاح. محمد أحمد حمادي.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد سعيد السريحي.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد حمادة.
نعم مستر.
مطوع.
نعم أستاذ.
منصور علي.
موجود أستاذ.
تمام. طيب شباب، بدنا نحضر حالنا نساوي مشروع الفصل. طبعا مشروع الفصل عليه 20 علامة، وهو إجباري للجميع. فاللي رح يرسل رح ياخذ 20 علامة، واللي ما رح يساويه يعني بتروح عليه 20 علامة.
أستاذ، يكون نفس السنة الماضية، يكون نفس باوربوينت صح؟
لا، خليني نكمل أول. فمشروع الفصل بنختار حصرا أحد دروس الترم الثالث، ممنوع الترم الأول أو الثاني، حصرا الترم الثالث. حصرا الترم الثالث.
إن شاء الله أستاذ.
بنحضره على باوربوينت. هلا ما بدي حدا يرسل لي اياه بصيغه باوربوينت، نحن بنحضره على باوربوينت وبس يكون جاهز بتحكي معي على الواتساب انه انا درسي جاهز، بنحدد لك موعد وبتعرض ثاني يوم على زملائك. هلا اللي مو حابب يعرض على زملائه شو بيساوي؟ بيسجل لي اياه بالبيت تسجيل، بيبعث لي اياه ريكورد فيديو، بيبعث لي اياه لوين؟ على الواتساب، انا بشوفه وبنشر له اياه على الجروب. ولكن اللي بده يبعث لي اياه بصيغه باوربوينت ما راح ياخذ علامه المشروع، انا بدي اياه مسجل، بدي اشوف طريقه.
مستر شو لازم نسوي؟ ما سمعت.
لازم نسوي مشروع للفصل عليه 20 علامه اجباري للجميع، كل الطلاب مطالبين فيه. المشروع هو عباره انه نختار درس من دروس الفصل الثالث حصرا، ممنوع من دروس الفصل الاول او دروس الفصل الثاني، حصرا بدي من الدروس اللي اخذناها بالفصل الثالث. بنحضر هذا الدرس على باوربوينت، بعدين بس يجهز الدرس تحكي معي على الواتساب انه انا درسي جاهز، حدد لك موعد لعرضه على زملائك. هلا اللي مو حابب يعرضه على زملائه ومو حابب يشرح مباشر شو بيساوي؟ بيحضر الدرس وبيسجله بالبيت تسجيل، تمام؟ وبيبعث لي الفيديو، اللي بده يبعث لي باوربوينت ما راح ياخذ علامه، بدي اشوف فيديو، بتسجله فيديو انت باسلوبك في البيت. اذا مو حابب تعرضه على زملائك، طبعا اللي حابب يعرضه على زملائه انا بسجل له اياه ما في مشكله، بس اللي مو حابب يعرضه على
مستر
زملائه بيسجله فيديو ويبعث لي اياه على الواتساب، انا بشوفه وبعرضه على زملائكم. طبعا اقل شيء لازم يكون 15 دقيقه، ما بصير يكون المشروع اقل من 15 دقيقه. اللي بيحب يساوي اكثر من 15 ما عندنا مشكله. تمام؟ في حدا له سؤال؟ طبعا
لا مستر.
هذا المشروع للجميع، ما حدا مستثنى منه، يعني في علامة فصل 20 علامة.
مستر
تفضل تفضل. في حدا له
مستر إذا
سؤال؟
بسويه مستر إذا بسويه في الصف أسوي باوربوينت.
اللي بده يسويه بالصف يساوي باوربوينت وبيحكي معي على الواتساب، بحدد له موعد انا وبنجي بنخليه يساوي شير على الشاشة تبع المدرس وبشرح هو الدرس، نحن بنسجل له اياه. واللي بيحب يسجله بالبيت كمان ما عندنا مشكلة، اللي بيحب يعمل تسجيل بالبيت بيسجله بيبعث لي التسجيل، بس ينتبه انه اقل شيء لازم شو يكون 15 دقيقة، ما بصير يكون لا 5 دقائق ولا 10 دقائق، اقل شيء لازم يكون 15 دقيقة. تمام، في حدا له سؤال؟
لا يا أستاذ.
تفضل. علي صوتك شوي.
شو الواتساب مالك الرقم؟ انا ما عندي اياه في الواتساب عشان يوم ما اكلمك ان انا خلصت المشروع.
054 اكتب 054 لا 35
بعدين 3 5
6 8 9 6 9
6 8
9 6 9. رح أعد لك إياها 054 35 6 8 9 6 9. تمام؟
تمام استاذ. اوكي
تمام، حياكم. في حدا له أي استفسار؟
لا يا أستاذ.
لا مستر.
This is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.